Hey y'all, it's itslaroneppl and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to achieve the perfect braid out only using one product. You heard right in the description, this is only going to be a one product video, but before we get into what that one product is, I'm going to need you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so that you can receive notifications as soon as I post something. Also, moving forward, if I forget to say it in a video, just know there's always links in my description box to the things that I reference in these videos. So check the description box below. Yeah, so moving right along. Water is that one product. All you need gets you right for the braid out. I do this religiously. All my braid outs always come out well when I do it. You guys know I had that theory a few videos ago where I was like, I don't think this braid out gonna be worth nothing, because you know my hair wasn't wet when they applied the style, but you know it is what it is. You live and you learn. So in this video, I'm coming to you to let you know how exactly to do that with step-by-step kind of guidance. So what you want to do is wet your hair. This ain't a spray bottle activity right here for this one. This is, you need to drench your hair in water. I recommend hopping in the shower, go ahead getting that thing real wet. Let it like run. Wet so much to where you have to wring water out of your hair for when you get out. Now, when you get out, don't dry your hair. The section your hair is normal. Start from wherever you like to start to do your braid outs. You can size them accordingly to how big you want the waves to be. The more locks you include in the plait or the twist, the bigger the wave. The least amount of locks you use in the braid is going to be a smaller, tighter curl. I went for a beach wavier curl this go around. Also, I'm gonna let you guys know a little tip secret. Don't go doing that loose braid thing when you go to braid your locks out, because it's gonna give you a half-ass wave when you go to take it out, and you don't want that because your braid out ain't gonna last but for a hot second, and we ain't go through all this work putting in these braids just for a quick-ass braid out like that. So don't braid like this when you go to do your braid out. Braid like this when you do it, nice and tight. Once you get all the braids in, you may have a section to where you need to go back because, like me, I got called away to do something and then my hair kind of dried up and it was no longer wet. That's when I pulled out my spray bottle and just drenched it down so that it was, again, soaking wet in water. Finished up my braid out, and then here you have the full results of that braid out look. Well, of the braids in. For me, I rock my braids for about a day and a half because the crucial part of this is making sure that the hair is dry before you take it out. If you take out your hair before it's dry, all your work will be done in vain. Your braid out gonna look like trash. Like it's, trust me on this one. Like I haven't led y'all wrong so far. Trust me, make sure your hair is dry. You want your hair to definitely be dry when you're doing this. So after it's done, take it out. Y'all know that I believe in having oil and stuff on my fingers, but for the purpose of this video, I really wanted to show you guys that all you really need is one product. The rest of that stuff is a moisture stage type situation. Like what's really holding the hair together is the tightness of your braid, and because it was wet and it was able to take that mold. So I didn't even use some oil while taking my hair out. What I did do was after I finished, I moisturized. I sprayed my spray bottle, put my oil in, did my thing, let that thing sit up. We got it together. But for the video, we ain't use no oil, we only use one product. We stayed true to what we were saying. So yeah, so after you do that, you take it out, you do your thug thizzle. These are my results. I put some photos in when they first took out. They're kind of old now. That's that on this topic for this video. That's gonna be where we, end things. Just me showing you that you can achieve a braid out with minimal product, only water, and just making sure that braid is tight and that you let it dry before you take it out. So that being said, let me know when y'all try this out. Drop some comments below if you've had success with this. If you got any questions, you can drop them below, or you can hit my DM on Instagram. My handle will pop up right here for Instagram. It'll also always be in the description box, as are all my links. All my links to anything I tell y'all in these videos is more than likely in the description box. If it's not, if I don't link something in the description box, let me know, and then I'll make a full video of everything I reference on this channel, and I'll link it below, and then that'll be the video I always tag, because bro, it's hot right here. So yeah, we rambling at this point, so I'm gonna let y'all go. But before you do, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you'll be alerted as soon as I post a new video like this one. And until next time, y'all be easy.